The northern city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, East Central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, James City County in southeastern Virginia, Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Kerrville County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Chowan County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Camden County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Pasquotank County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Perquimans County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Hertford County in northeastern North Carolina, the city of Poquoson in southeastern Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Hampton in southeastern Virginia, the southern city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth in southeastern Virginia, the city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, the northwestern city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whaleyville to 8 miles south of Coleraine, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gatesville, Suffolk, Gates, Coleraine, Harrodsville, Rocky Hawk, and Whaleyville around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Downtown Suffolk, Brillen, Sunbury, Tyner, Valhalla, and Hobbsville around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kings Fork and Core Peak around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Chesapeake, Driver, and Belvedere around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Portsmouth, Bowers Hill, and Crittenden around 8:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kirkland and Western Branch around 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Newport News, Hampton, Deep Creek, Old Dominion University, Norfolk, and Craddock around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hampton University, downtown Norfolk. The National